Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a 4th of July eyeshadow tutorial, which is why the rest of my makeup is already done. As you can probably tell by the thumbnail, it's going to be red, white, and blue, so let's get right into it. So first off, I'm just going to go in and prime my eyes because I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette again because of all the nice colors in it, so I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we've primed our eyelids, we're going to go in with the color Vintage in the Tarte Pro palette, and we're going to get that like fully covering our entire eyelid. So we're just going to take the color and then we're going to make sure that it really pops on our lid because we really want the red, white, and blue all to be showing and not just the red and blue. Okay, I'm going to go over it. I'm going to go over it one more time. And that looks like it's probably about as pale as we're going to get it. So we're just going to go in and do the other side. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with this light blue shade right here in my inner corner. So I'm just going to kind of pack that in. And because it's such a light color, you're probably going to have to go over it a couple of times, especially if your palette isn't extremely pigmented. So that's what it's looking like after like 3 run-throughs, so we're going to go in and do that on the other side. So now we're going to go in with this slightly darker blue color. We're going to go in with that about right here, so not exactly our inner corner and not exactly our, like the middle of our lid. Now we're going to go in with this color, the slightly darker blue, a bit darker than these two, and then put that right there, so progressively get darker until you hit the middle of your lid. Also, can we just talk about how I'm turning into a Smurf? Okay, so now that we've finished our blues, we're going to go in with this red color right here and apply that towards the outer corner of our eye. So about right there is where you want it. Okay, so once we've applied our red shadow, we're just going to make sure that we have it blended into our crease, and then same goes for the blue. Then we're going to go and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to go in and do our eyeliner. If you want to see how I do it, then you can go to my previous video. Okay, now that we've done our eyeliner, we're going to go in and do our waterline and lower lash line, the same colors we did down here, meaning we're going to go in with the white or palely colored pigment first, and then we're going to go in and do blue here and then red here. So now that we've done that, we're going to go in with our lighter blue, slightly darker blue, and then darkest blue, and then kind of fade that back into the white, and then go into the red. Okay, that's how it looks, and then we're going to go in and do that on the other side. So now we're going to go do our mascara, and then we'll be done. Alright everybody, that is the finished look. I hope that you try this look out for the 4th of July. Maybe it was entertaining, or maybe you just wanted something to watch that involves colorful eyeshadows. I don't know. I hope you all have a lovely 4th of July, day or night, whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. Make sure to comment your opinions or any other videos that you would like me to do. And I hope you all have a good one.